Are you looking for a one-stop shop for all your vehicle needs? Look no further than El Dorado Customs, conveniently located on the southwest corner of Bethany Home and the I-17. Our dealership has a fantastic selection of vehicles, all in great condition and ready to hit the road. And with our straightforward financing options, owning your dream car has never been easier. But that's not all. El Dorado Customs is not just a dealership. We're a one-stop shop for all your automotive needs. Want to lift your vehicle? Our experts are here to help with lift kits and installation. El Dorado Customs is not just a dealership. We're a one-stop shop for all your automotive needs. Looking for new or used tires and wheels? We've got that too. At El Dorado Customs, we offer a wide range of services to meet your needs. Whether you're in the market for a vehicle in great condition with simple and easy financing, or in need of automotive repair, tires, wheels, or lift kits, we've got you covered. And just around the corner, in the same building, you'll find Pichon Auto Glass. They specialize in the replacement and calibration of imported and domestic vehicle glass. Pichon Auto Glass has mobile and in-shop services. Visit us today and experience the convenience and quality service that El Dorado Customs and Pichon Auto Glass have to offer. Come see us at the southwest corner of Bethany Home and the I-17, your one-stop shop for all your vehicle needs.